Welcome to IEEE project development. The project title is short. Short means a self-organization trust model for peer-to-peer system. This project developed by Star Technology and implemented core technologies, Java and MySQL technology. Here used frontend as a Java and backend as a MySQL DB. Now we see about brief explain about this paper. Short means self-organization trust model for a peer-to-peer system. So here in this paper said that uh, peer-to-peer system, that means a direct communication of one peer to another peer with a peer construct the self-organization to create the security basis. That means a trust model. So SART is a self-organization. Every peer create the own signature for the peer-to-peer systems. So here our abstract has told that peer-to-peer system expose the malicious activity. So here that's a open nature. In this paper, identify the network attacks and how to overcome this that attack. That is mainly focused these papers. So, Beer created a own trust network using the local information available to global trust information. That means here Beer created a own network for local network and also the global information for the another network. That means peer communicate with the own network to another network also communicate like that heterogeneous network. Here mainly focus on two services. One is two service. One is a service based attack. Another one is a recommendation context. So here mainly focus on trustworthiness. That means high potential is security for the every feeds. So mainly important feed satisfaction the parameters. So mainly two attacks here. Mainly in this paper focus on two attacks. One is a service based attack. Another one is a recommendation based attack. Uh, so in the our index time is a peer-to-peer system. That means ordinary network construction for the peer-to-peer systems. And another one index time is a trust management. Here is a trust management here used for the avoiding the attacks and data losses and reputation means here using the redundancy data. That means flood here mainly focus on flood attack. The flood attack means unwanted requests. That means repeated requests passing through the one peer to another base. That is a reputation. And security means here used for the more security, avoid malicious attack and victim attack and flood attack and service attack and etc. Look here, operation receiving the recommendation in the interactions. That means process PI of PI request to about the BJ. That means BJ. So and BJ request to the PK. So service requested and service. This is a service BJ request to PI. PI recommendation to the PK. So BK recommendation return, that means a response to the BJ. That is like that black hole attack like that. One for example, um, one pit. This is means one system. You can request to the server. That means how can I say? Base system request to the practice server passing to the original server, and original server return to the practice server return response to the client. That is the recommendation and service based. So here updated. So and then selecting service providers and also some equations. So here implementation in our paper implementation Java simulation environment. Here using them upload the files and downloading the files or basing the session also. So file size here used for the 100 MB file size and popularity file also. So here using the no trusted, that means without authentication and selecting the, and every basis here here used the bandwidth also, and reputation, no reputation query means without unwanted request, that means zero fee, and sort is the flood regression means reputation query means passing query to whole network, that means unwanted query passing to the network from one peer to another peer. Good feed because you can passing the unwanted queries from the server, and accommodation of the good peers will be also suffer. So here using the, that is called the flood attack. Here using two attacker model. One is the service based attack, another one is the recommendation based attack. So positively trustworthy, that means here find out the what which are be what are the fields are good fit, what are the fields are attacker fields, and what are the worst fields. So he can find out and transfer the data from the one page to another page. So here using the some authentication files, that means good feed, some malicious feed also you can find out, and after you can transact the data from one period to another period. That is the trustworthiness. That is called the trustworthiness. Here is the individual attackers. That means direct attacker and recommendation based black hole attacker also. Victim in some viruses files transferred to the one period to another period. So that is the attacker. So our conclusion is. Our conclusion was bare network presented. Then can trust. We can create the trust network. So that is our conclusion. Beat is isolated malicious beat itself. Here, good feed also fight for the victim. That is called that feed also called that feed also act as the malicious beat, because you can recover the victim base. After that, that malicious beat also changes to the good feed. That is the recovery fashion is our feature enhancement. So here SAT is in the P2P application, CPU sharing and storage, and B2 gaming or the feature based application for various trustworthiness tasks. We can implement the SAT applications.